Now, south of Pangong Tso, the area along the line of actual control that is currently simmering is currently dominated by the Indian Army. This is extremely significant as it's part of eastern Ladakh there that saw some of the most crucial battles of 1962 war were fought. Gaurav Sawant explains to us.
Seeing the Chinese army advance towards the area south of Pangong Tso, Indian forces quickly deployed troops not only to intercept the Chinese but also occupy higher ground in a part of eastern Ladakh that saw some of the bloodiest battles fought in 1962. Chushul in southeastern Ladakh, south of the Pangong Lake, was and remains a key defense area for the protection of the road to Leh. Therefore, occupation of Rezangla on one side and of Gurung Hill and Magar Hill on the other side, overlooking the Spangur Gap, to keep an eye and interdict the Chinese was extremely important. These areas saw some of the fiercest battles of 1962 as 124 brave soldiers of the Charlie Company of 13 Kumaon, led by Major Shaitan Singh, fought almost to the last man and last bullet to stall the advance of an entire Chinese brigade.
Indian Army has captured strategic heights on the southern part of Pangong Tso Lake. These heights have immense tactical and strategic significance, as whoever holds these heights not only would dominate the southern part of Pangong Tso Lake, but would also dominate by fire and observation Chushul town, Chushul airstrip, as well as the defense fortifications of India.
The main threat to Chushul was through the Spangur Gap, a kilometer-wide break in the mountains along the line of actual control, some 15 kilometers away. The Chinese had incidentally built a road from Rudok in Tibet to the Spangur Gap in 1962 itself. And this road was linked directly to China's crucial artery G219 connecting Xinjiang to Lhasa in Tibet. The army had even in 1962 deployed AMX-13 tanks at the base of Gurung Hill.
One of the most important aspects of high altitude warfare is domination of heights. When you dominate a height, you're able to look into the enemy territory, you can see the enemy posts, you can see the enemy logistic bases, you can actually also bring down targeted fire onto the enemy military equipment also. So whoever occupies the height gains a very tactical and strategic advantage in that area.
The army's move to quickly deploy and occupy the Blacktop Peak in Ladakh is not only tactically brilliant but also strategically extremely significant. This is one of the highest peaks in the area and can dominate the Chinese side for several kilometers. This height dominates the Spangur Gap, Magar Hill, Gurung Hill, and keep an eye on the Chinese movement in Moldo up to Yula, keeping an eye on any Chinese movement and activity coming down from the Chinese highway G219. This perhaps is the reason why China is so extremely upset with India's brilliant military maneuver. With cameraman Kripal Singh in Delhi, Gaurav Sawant for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.